Hello, today we are going to learn how to find the golden section of a given line segment A. In mathematics, two quantities B and C are in the golden ratio if their ratio is the same as the ratio of their sum A to the larger of the two quantities B, and this ratio is equal to phi, which is equal to 1.61 with infinite and non-repeating decimals. So today we are going to divide the line segment A into two different line segments which are going to satisfy this ratio, and this is the golden section. So to start with the given line segment A, which goes from point F to point G, and the first step is to draw a perpendicular line from point G as shown here in the video. The next step is setting the compass on point G and with a radius GF. We are going to transport this line segment onto the perpendicular line we have just drawn, getting a new point H. And now the next step is to work out the perpendicular bisector of the line segment GH. So setting our compass to a radius slightly longer than half the distance GH, we're going to scribe an arc up to the left and to the right of the line. And now with the same radius, setting the compass on point H, we're going to scribe two new arcs intersecting our previously drawn arcs at 2 points. So now, with a ruler, we will join these two intersections, finding a new midpoint, which we will call I. So now, setting the compass on the new midpoint I, and with a radius IG, we are going to draw a circle as shown here in the video. The next step is to join points F and I, and where this line cuts the circle, we get a new point which we will call J. So the final step is to transport the line segment FJ onto the original line segment A using a compass, where we will obtain a new point that we will call K. The point K is the point which divides the original line segment A into two new line segments B and C, which are in the golden ratio. A divided by B equals B divided by C, which equals phi, the golden number. So I hope this video has helped you. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you would like to, you can always support us by pressing the super thanks button. Until the next video, thank you very much.